10 creative study techniques to boost your learning. In this video, we'll explore mind mapping magic. Learn how to create visually stunning mind maps that organize information in a way that's easy to understand and remember. The power of mnemonics. Discover mnemonic devices that make remembering complex details a breeze. Active recall techniques. How to actively engage with your study material to reinforce your memory. Flashcards reimagined. Spice up your flashcards with creative visuals and associations. Doodle your way to understanding. Unleash your inner artist while sketching out key concepts for better retention. Pomodoro productivity. Harness the Pomodoro technique to stay focused and boost productivity during study sessions. Interactive learning. Explore online platforms and tools that turn studying into an interactive adventure. Study playlists. Craft the perfect background music playlist to enhance your concentration and mood. Teaching others. How teaching what you've learned to someone else can deepen your understanding.